1. Set up eAuditor. Download eAuditor app. Ensure you have the eAuditor app installed on your mobile device, available for both iOS and Android, or access it through the web platform.
I'm here when you need somebody.
Create an account or log in. If you don't already have an account, sign up. If you do, just log in with your credentials. 2. Create or choose a template. Option A. Use an existing template. eAuditor typically offers various pre-built inspection templates for different purposes in public library, e.g., safety audits, quality inspections, equipment checks. Browse through the available templates and choose the one that fits your inspection needs. Option B. Create a custom template. Tap on Templates from the dashboard or app's main screen. Select Create Template to design your own inspection template. Add relevant fields such as questions, drop-downs, checkboxes, and numeric values to customize the inspection form according to your requirements. Save the template once you're done. 3. Start a new inspection from the dashboard or home screen. Tap Start Inspection. Choose the template you wish to use, whether pre-built or custom. You may be prompted to enter details such as inspection location, date and time, or any other relevant metadata. 4. Perform the inspection. Fill out the template. Go through the inspection form and answer each question. Depending on the template, you may be asked to select predefined options, e.g., yes, no, multiple choice, drop-down. Add text comments in open-ended fields. Upload photos to document specific issues or findings. Tap on the camera icon to take and attach images. Assign hazard or risk labels to identified issues or safety concerns. Add audio notes. If needed, you can record verbal notes or instructions directly within the app. Add signatures. Some inspections might require a supervisor's or inspector's signature. eAuditor lets you do that directly on the device. 5. Complete the inspection. Once you're satisfied with the inspection data, you can submit. Generate a report. Create a PDF report with the inspection findings. The report typically includes your answers, photos, and any comments or notes. Share the report. You can email the report to stakeholders or upload it to your organization's document management system.